Training employees shouldn't feel like building software, but for most companies, it really does. You need onboarding, compliance courses, safety training, and suddenly you're dealing with complicated platforms, expensive developers, or outdated systems. Training gets delayed, tracking becomes messy, and compliance risks increase. But there is a simpler way, and today we're talking all about that. Let's dive in. This is ProProfs, and it's a training maker that's an easy-to-use, fully online learning management system. It helps companies create, manage, and deliver employee training without needing technical skills. Everything runs in the cloud, there's no installations, and no IT headaches. This is actually trusted by global brands such as Adobe, Zoho, Acer, and even Lenovo. So whether you're growing a business or a large enterprise, it's built to scale with you. Now let's walk through what this is, because this is actually something that is fantastic and it's changing employee training for the better. So here we can see all of the different courses that we could just go ahead and actually go in and edit if we want. Or we can go ahead and press create a course here. So we can create from scratch. So let's go to create a course, and then we can press create using ProProfs AI. From this point, we can type in our course topic, tell the AI a little bit more about the course, and we can also just drag and drop any resources we need into this area. This makes it incredibly powerful. And with the help of AI, it's going to manage all of the wording and teaching for you. So here we have a video on team leadership. What we can do here is actually just go ahead and copy this and paste it into this link section here. From that, the AI is going to watch the video and then actually create a course around all of the major points in that video. So we can go with a short course here with 2 chapters, 1 page per chapter, and then a quiz at the end. Or if we wanted a longer course, you can actually do a table of contents here as well, which is 3 chapters, 5 pages, and 1 quiz per chapter. But I'm pretty happy with what we've got here. Let's press next. Now you can build professional training courses in literally minutes. You can add videos, documents, quizzes, presentations, all in one place without needing a coder or software developer. And the built-in AI tools here are incredible. Here it's given us the course outline. It says feel free to add, edit, or remove any pages to make it fit your needs perfectly. So what we can do here is actually go in, and maybe we don't like the title, so we could press edit on that and change that title easily. Or we could do the same and even regenerate this one here by pressing this button, and then it regenerates that for us. And we've also got a quiz here at that chapter, and we can go down here and see that there's another quiz right there. So I'm pretty happy with this. Let's go ahead and generate course. Now we've seen that it generates the course outlines. It's helped us writing the content, which it's doing right now, and it's automatically going to create those quizzes for us too. So now if we go to our courses here, we can see that it's currently going ahead and making the course for us. Now they also have a free ready-made course library here. So we can click that. We can hit add to library, and we can hit add new courses. From this point, we can select our own courses. So potentially we want like a major mastery course where we have a bunch of courses mixed together, or we could do that very easily just selecting the different courses we've got. Or we can link to videos, web search, or upload documents here. For example, PDFs full of any kind of training sheet that we already have. Now they also have a huge library of pre-built courses on compliance, work safety, HR topics, and more in a ready-to-use format that you can also customize. We can also set compliance and certification automation here too. You can set rules, issue certificates automatically, and track completions from different employees. So this basically keeps you as a company staying audit ready because of the analytics and tracking implemented into this platform. In fact, we can go to the reports section here and we can see all of the data we need. So we can see the different names of people, emails, if they're active or not, and the progress on their courses right here. The classroom section is also very cool. So what we can do here is actually select different users, add them to our classroom, and see where we are with that specific course. So if you're running online webinars or something like this could be a great tool for you. And another cool thing here is that this is all completely mobile friendly. So your team can train anywhere, anytime. And we can see that the course has been completed. So let's go in and check it out. It's even generated a image for us as well, which is really cool. So here it's got our video that we put in. We can go ahead and delete that if we want or leave it in, but we can also see here that it's got all of the key concepts that we need here. So we've got the key concepts, we've got methods and framework, real world applications, practical steps, and much more. We can go ahead as well and edit any of this if we wish. As you can see, very easy to edit. And we can go through each section here. We can even change the quiz if we want to. So let's take a look at this quiz real quick. Here we can see it's got images for us. We need a first and last name, and then we can start the quiz. So we can go ahead and answer this as well as the first question, or we can press edit here at the top right. And if we do press edit, that is where we can actually change each question as we want to. So if there is certain things that need to be asked here, maybe there is a specific audit that needs to be passed for the company, well, you need to put those questions in here. So this is a great way to edit, and the platform is super intuitive. You can change basically anything about the text and the answers here as well, whether it is actually multiple answers or not. And we can also add an explanation after a question is attempted. But overall, very, very good system here and very easy to use. Now, who exactly is this best for? Well, ProProfs Training Maker is ideal for HR teams managing and onboarding, compliance teams handling regulations, business owners training staff, and training managers scaling programs. It's also great for course creators, government agencies, nonprofits, and safety and compliance professionals. So whether you're a mid-sized company or a large enterprise, this definitely fits. Now, companies usually choose this because it's extremely easy to use, affordable compared to traditional LMS systems, and includes free courses that you can literally just take and give to your employees. They also offer fantastic 24/7 support and provide strong security and data protection. It's built for simplicity, but powerful enough for enterprise needs. Now, the real use cases for this are, of course, companies using this for employee onboarding, compliance training like OSHA or HIPAA, workplace safety training, sexual harassment prevention training, and general e-learning course creation. Instead of juggling spreadsheets and emails, everything stays centralized on this platform. And I think that is great. So if you want to simplify employee training and stay compliant without complexity, start your free trial today, or schedule a demo and see how quickly you can create your first course. ProProfs Training Maker makes training simple. Link will be down below in the description if you want to check it out. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next one.